Adaukwule Adaukwụ akwa gị mere ụmụ mmadụ ha na-eti otu mmadụ Chineke nna kere ga-esi nọrọ ihe ọ ga na-arụ ụwa ya oge ọ ga na ụlọ mmadụ ya banye na kọmpaụnd ọ na-emeghe onye ọma ya ọ ga na-ezu ochi onye nọ m otu akara nda ịmaha m onye onwere egbe ịmaha m oji mma ịmaha m oji ọgwụ gị na-amagharị ka ele na kọmpaụnd ndị ọzọ na-ezu ochi ọkweghị na nwaanyị a ya ọbịaghachi nga n'odo mmesi ihe m ga-eme ama fuel ụfọ ka nja mma ogini Adaukwụ nwa m ịmasị mgbe ahụ ịpụ mara sị ka ị ga weta 1001 nso nwaanyị ngwala mana na mgbede ukwu ga-ebeghachi bịa were ego nwaanyị sị m oke ya ọ ga-abịaghachi o wee ka m na-abata n'ụlọ so ka m jigodo nwaanyị ole ruo nwaanyị n'anya nwaanyị shoto m piefere mee ka o mechie gate gama n'azụ ụlọ gaa na windo m were ogologo osisi otu na-eburu akpa m were na mmiri ose wee gaa n'anya a wee gara m mmiri ose n'anya mmiri ose ebe ọ na-anaghị anụ ntị elekwanụ 1001 ị gara ịnatakwa n'ele ma nwoke ekweghị enye m ọ sị na nwa nwaanyị ahụ mere 6,000 naira obtained by trick so na ọ ga-enyeghachi ego ahụ ọ kweghị enye m nna sị biko asị m ma njọ nne m ọwụ 6,001 ha m natara n'ụzọ ụnyaahụ ịgbago ọsọ n'ụzọ wee ịmasị ego ahụ amaghọtaghị m gị ọnụ ọkwa kamgbe ka m na-etunwe nnọọ m na-echezi ga-echụpụ ya ogwere m obi m si eleda nga m domere ego na ntụgide aha ahara m na komkom gị tigara na rum ha so m were 5,000 kwụọ onwe m ụgwọ were jee 1,001 nye nwoke ahụ maka na nye nwa a mekwere chukom ị hụrụ ya gị were kwụọ onwe gị ụgwọ nyekwe nwoke ngwanụ enweghị nsogbu nna ị ga-abịanụ bịa n'oru ala ka mmị na nha ka anyị kpọọ ihe anyị ga-eme nwaanyị a ka anyị kpaa ya akpa bikọs nwaanyị a ga-abịaghachikwa ịna ya ego ya ihe anyị ga-eme nwa aha ma ọ bịa nga ihe anyị ga-eme Chineke kpọọ ọkụ Chineke kpọọ onye mere ihe nke n'ọgụ Adaukwule Adaukwụ akwa gị mere ụmụ mmadụ ha na-eti ma nne ha ma nna ha ma ụmụ ha ma ikwu ha Adaukwundigbo nwata mụsara amụsa ọma ha asụ bekee ọ na-eme ihe ọchị.
Alright, today we'll be learning the use of English. Like I said yesterday, English is widely spoken as a trade language or a diplomatic language. Yes, it is the language of science, aviation, computers, diplomacy, and tourism. As Igbos, it is important for us to use the English language because it opens doors to promotion of our culture and heritage, exchange of ideas and business, and international trade as well. So I also told you that the type of English language spoken in Nigeria is not standard English. So at this point, can any of you tell me why?
Because Nigerian English contains loan words and collocations.
Collocation.
Collocation. Masị kamgbe nyaahụ ekechara anyị nyaha. Nchọtụ ebe ọbụla m na-aga nna m sị collocation. Ebe ọbụla m gara m sị mma m kwụsị m na-ewetara m ngaji m sị collocation. Asị m na-ewe bịa nọrọ ala m sị collocation. Ihe nke a tọgbugoro m.
At this point, you can sit down. At this point, I want each and every one of you to pick up her biro and write down the uses of English language. Do that immediately. Okay, so who can tell me what they have written on the uses of English? Okay, Adaukwunu, let me hear you. You are raising up your hand. Let me hear you. You want to answer the question?
Sasa.
Tell me, what have you written on the uses of English? What's funny? Why are you laughing?
Oh my God, because my mamuku always say that I don't know question they had a question. We don't know because I'm say in my answer. But it was a very simple question. Oh, I'm judging.
Stop this. Stop. Enough. Silence everywhere, please. All right.
Okay.
Don't be telling me stories. Just answer the question if you know it.
Okay. Michael Patricia. English. One asụsụ ndị bekee using, communicating and spoken. Mana even self enwere ndị Igbo, some ndị Igbo bịa ha na-asụ bekee karịa ndị bekee, especially girls. Ha bịa ha were present tense na past tense. Ha jakọta ishi, then throw away the past participle. Okay, my past participle. Ha were ha mafuwe n'ọhịa, then ndị bekee ga-asị, oh my God. Ha bịa ha agbaiga ka n'ishi time, oh lo. Oh lo. Ndị bekee anya mmiri ebibo ọgbama ndị bekee. Ha also, is it our language that these people are spoiling like this? Ndị bekee we have ndị Igbo. Please be spoken your language so that we will be spoken our own language. After all, we are not spoken your Igbo. Because you are not teaching your children how to be spoken Igbo.
Adaukwunu, you are somehow right. Yes. The Igbo generations of these days are teaching their children English language, makes Igbo an endangered language that is doomed to extinct. And it's very bad, knowing fully well that their children will be learning English in school. So at this point, can any of you tell me what they have written on the uses of English language? Adaukwunu, what is going on there? Stop. What is the problem?
I cannot find my money. I cannot find my 1,000 naira for my preparatory class.
Preparatory class, Adaukwunu.
Preparatory. They have took my money. Hey, they are tipping in this class. Michael Patricia, they are tipping in this class.
Adaukwunu, do you know that you're causing problem in my class? You're disturbing my class. What's the problem? Adaukwunu, leave my class.
Hey.
Yes, you're becoming a nuisance in my class, so you have to leave here. You're distracting my class.
Hey, Michael Patricia, people don't pursue me, oh. Because you don't pursue me, I want to learn so that I can be going to them like you. Is it when I don't have anybody to give me money for business. And even I try to look for husband. Husband is not coming. So I'm saying, come over to work when he jiteshi akike. Jiteshi akike man, yes. I got my over to him. Uncle Patricia, please don't pursue me. I have no mother, no father. I'm a single child. But
Adaukwunu, you still need to pay.
I will pay. I will pay. Uncle Patricia, don't pursue me because
Adaukwunu, I don't like free things.
Don't pursue me.
I don't like free things because if you did not pay, you will not take this learning serious. It's obvious. Yes, you're always playing and you will not take it serious if you did not pay.
I will pay. Uncle Patricia, because don't pursue me.
Just step backward. Please pick up this stuff you threw on the floor. Pick it up. Look at what you've done. Give me. Adaukwunu, I've heard all you've said, alright? Just go back to your seat. And make sure you bring the money while coming tomorrow.
Thank you. Hey! I cannot find my bureau. Hey! Who has taken my bureau now? Give me. Oh, they are tiffin in this class.
Oh, Eugene has some negligence. Oh, no.
Hey! Hey, 10,000 naira.
No,
Hey!
Dear Adaukwunu. Oh, they like it too much. I can't cooking at chum. See, you go collect.
Each month, who have took my money? They have took my bureau.
It's okay. Stop making noise. You're distracting my class. What is it? What? Don't step backward before you end up creating a scene here.
Sorry.
Imagine. Alright, just continue with what I've told you to write. Which is the right?